Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience, guys. Today is Saturday and this is the intro to this video. I filmed this apartment tour for like a month ago, and yeah, I'm finally editing it. So here's my apartment tour. It's a very quick tour. Like, I could have done it way better than the video is going to be, but yeah, I think it was a bit, like I didn't want the video to be too long. So here we go. I got my keys. Let me get my keys. Yeah, so I got my own keys. Yeah, guys, so I got my own keys these days out here in these streets, being an adult. Yeah. Anyway, ooh, I'm feeling myself today. Ooh. Anyway, enjoy the video. And I want to film a video today, but I don't know what it's going to be. But I look cute or whatever. Yeah, so anyway, enjoy the apartment tour. I'll see you in my next video. And by the way, like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, my name is Ramona because I rarely say my name in the videos, and my channel name is not my name. So hi, I'm Ramona. Follow me on Instagram. I need to slow down. Follow me on Instagram at Ramona Carty, ROMONACARTY. Yeah. Bye. So to start this tour, we're gonna start downstairs at my doorway. Yeah, I'm so hungry. As I walk into the kitchen right now, I just remembered that I need to eat before I do this tour. Oh, so I'm gonna get me some bun and cheese, and I'm gonna get me some bun. I got cheese in the fridge, so I'm gonna eat some bun and cheese. And I'll finish the tour in a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Food mission complete. Bun and cheese in my tummy. Anyway, this is my door. Let's just get into it so this video could be short and spicy. Alright, so this is my door. This is where you enter through to get into my humble abode. One thing about eating before you film, you're gonna be belching. Anyway, let me give you a quick 360 of my kitchen. So when you enter my kitchen. So I got like covers and things over here. I got little things like my little bags and just random stuff over there that I use when I'm going out the door, or that I take up when I'm going out the door. My table where I eat alone at night, out here trying to live this independent life. I got this little shelf over here, my mop bucket, my bin. Yeah, I don't have anything to put on that yet, so it's gonna be empty. My stove. Let me see if it'll get better lighting. Nah, once I turn this way, it's gonna get a little bit dark. Let me do it quick. So my stove right there, my toaster oven, microwave, and my sink. Oh, I just took the cheese out of this bag. Let me put you away. So yeah, so basically this is like, what do you call this? My counter? Anyway, I'm trying to get good lighting so I could show y'all what's happening. So this over here is my counter of everything. I don't have a dish. I don't have a dish rack yet, so. But I don't have like that many plates either. I have like 2 plates, a bowl, my lunch dish, And up here I have the little things that I use very fast. Like I'm gonna try making pasta tomorrow morning for work. And tin foods, bun. Ever since I found bun in Barbados, I've been stocking up on bun. This matches keep on falling. Put you down there. So yeah, that's basically my kitchen, to be honest. So now we're going upstairs, back upstairs to my bedroom and my living area and my bathroom. So first, where do you want to go? Let's go into the bedroom first. So this is my bedroom. Wow. Hey there, how you doing, love? How you doing? So this is my little dresser right here that it has a lot of different little things on it, so it looks a mess. Yeah, so that's my dresser. I got a lot of closet space. These are shelves. These are shelves that I have clothes in and stuff, or folded up and thing. Yeah. I got, like, when you come through the door, this is what it looks like. So I have like a shelf right there with like random stuff that I just put up there, like a cup, like a souvenir cup, my blow dryer. And that's like my 2 work bags, my laptop bag and my handbag, and my laptop, water bottle. Yeah. So that's what you see when you enter. And then here's my bed. And my speaker is right here charging. Yo, this speaker is so cute. Let me give you the good lighting so you can, woo! Ooh, all camouflage and thing. Yes, girl. Yeah. I got more closet space over here. Got more closet space over here. I only hang up like my jackets and like long sleeve stuff. And that's the only thing that I really put on hangers. Everything else is folded. And sometimes not folded. If you get what I'm saying. So anyway, this is my bed. Yes, the 2 different pillowcases. Yes, I know there are 2 different pillowcases, but y'all know the struggle when you got a sheet but you just can't find the pillowcases. And also, I know which pillow to use at night because one is different from the other, so I know which one I use mostly, which is the cream one. Yeah. So let me give you a quick 360 of my bedroom. I keep those curtains down because my neighbor's kitchen faces my bedroom and I don't want nobody to be seeing me naked. So, and then I keep this open. Yeah, there's a little blue theme going on in my bedroom, to be honest. Yeah, and I keep that open. And you can see outside, like, whenever I wake up in the morning, it gets so beautiful. Like, you could just see, like, I see the sky through my window and it's amazing. Like, I'm gonna show y'all one morning. Anyway, enough of the bedroom. Y'all see my bed, my dresser, my closet. Yeah, that's basically it for my bedroom. And the bedroom, we go to the bathroom. Yay! My bin right there. Another shelf in the bathroom. Well, let me close this toilet. Another shelf in the bathroom. My toilet right there. My sink. This mirror is way too high for me. So if I want to see, I gotta tip, like, I gotta be on tippy toes to see in this mirror. So I don't really spend a lot of time using the bathroom mirror. And my shower. And ting. Yeah, so let me give y'all a quick 360 of my bathroom. Oh, I'm dizzy. So, yeah, that was a bit much. But anyway, that's my bathroom for y'all. Bathroom down. Well, this is going very fast, and that's really great because this is a quick tour. Then my living area. There was a lizard in here, as I said in the intro. So I can't even sit in my living area. I can't even sit in my living area since yesterday. I can't use it because I don't want nothing to be crawling up on me, and I have break some part of my body. So anyway, you leave like my bedroom. You leave my bedroom and you can see like my living room from that angle. So you have my chair right here, and when you sit in my chair, you're looking outside. Yeah, so you're looking outside whenever you sit right there, and it's amazing, especially at night or when you come home, or when you're home and you're just sitting like during the day. It's a very nice vibe because the door is open and you get to see. And I love, like, my favorite thing to look at in this apartment are these curtains. Like, these curtains are so beautiful. They're so nice. So nice. Anyway, enough of that. And so when you leave here, you step outside and you step onto my balcony. And yeah, I got my 2 chairs here that I never, like, I'm yet to have a guest over. So I would say here, and my feet would go there. That's what I use the 2 chairs for. So outside off my balcony is like a mango, you know how you call like or like this is like an open lot full of mango trees, open area full of mango trees. To be honest, it's just all mango trees out there, like nothing else. Yeah, it's yeah, it gets very, like, it's very beautiful. Like in the mornings, everything's beautiful to me. I don't know why you would ever think it's beautiful to me in the morning. But yeah, this is my balcony, quick 360. Yeah, and that's basically it. Quick 360 of my living area. I don't have a TV. Whew. I don't have a TV at all, so I just watch everything. I watch everything mostly on my phone these days. I need to lean on the wall because my head is going like this. So yeah, that's my apartment for y'all. Yeah, I don't have a TV, so I mostly use my phone to watch things these days because my laptop is playing games, man. My laptop is playing games. But thank y'all for watching. The lizard was just already on, like, right here yesterday, so I don't even want to sit either. Anyway, let me go into my bedroom and end this video. Alright guys, so thank you. That's my suitcase down there. Y'all know I'm in Barbados. So thank you for watching today's video. My little apartment tour and ting, my beige, and like my first apartment ever. Like, this is my first apartment ever. I got my own keys. Yeah, so I'm grateful. Like, y'all know, I'm super grateful for everything, and I'm just taking it one day at a time, and I'm just sharing my journey with y'all. So stay tuned for my next video in Barbados. So thank you all for watching again. Thank you for living for the experience with me today, and I'll see you in my next video.